have a Japanese folding kitchen knife. Yeah, kitchen knife. So this is how it's folded up. It's got a wood inlay on the handle. You'll open it up like this and it locks, okay? Extremely sharp. I was using this actually to cut chicken up, no issue. You can see a very interesting blade there. You have that Damascus, I believe. That's what that part is. It's kind of like hammered. But yeah, it's really sharp. It's like razor sharp. Okay, you have a spot for like a lanyard, and you have your line lock right here. So if I push this over, this is how you release it, and it goes like that. It does come with a carrying case. It's pretty neat, that right there. And you know, that's how it shows up to your house. So really neat. It's definitely got a lot of weight to it, which I like. I kind of welcome because it is a kitchen knife. This is meant to be used as, you know, a kitchen utensil. It's big and it feels good. I mean, I don't see any issue. Definitely a good thing to have, like maybe if you were camping, something like that. Probably wouldn't like use it when I'm like cooking in my kitchen, but maybe like when I'm grilling. You know, so I might leave this out by my grill because I can just fold it up, put it away. When I need it, I can pull it out. So yeah, that's the Chef's Knife Premium Japanese Steel.